We not only satisfy needs of vertical transportation in floors, but also constantly create higher value for customers during the process of enhancing our own value. In 2015, as the sole brand of China's elevator industry, Canny, together with Huawei, Haier, Gree, Manuel, TCL, and other leading enterprises in this industry, appeared in New York's Times Square and showed the charm of China's brands to the world. In 2016, 288-meter high test tower of Canny will be finished, which was the highest test tower in the world, and it refreshed new records of world height and world speed, and started a new journey for national elevators to be a world brand. From made in China to made by China, Canny made the world see the power of China's brands. From the first listed company of national elevators to the world brand of Chinese elevator, Canny guided an international era which belonged to China's elevator brands. Since its foundation in the 90s, China's market, which was controlled by international leading brands monopolists, Canny has held on the national elevator brand, broke technical barriers and market monopolies, and created countless miracles for China's elevator industry. Its major economic indicators have successively ranked the first in domestic elevator enterprises for 10 years and achieved the great leap forward development for national brands. Now, Canny already has the abilities and power to compete with the international leading brands. In the high-end technology realm, it is in line with the world top level. In world-class project realm, Canny's Tianmen Mountain Sightseeing Tunnel Highlighter project in Zhangjiajie. And this project conquered harsh conditions of the world's highest altitude natural mountain cave. On the cliff with the altitude of more than 1,300 meters, a tour passage was open, with a total span of 692 meters, and the escalator's total lifting height of 340 meters, which created the world creation of the design, transportation, and installation of the first-ever mountain tunnel escalator. The New Century Global Center in Chengdu is the world's biggest monorail building, the super large urban complex project, the world's high-end hotel brand Intercontinental Hotels, the high-end department store brand Lot of South Korea, and the like brands are located there. Canny Elevator achieved to match with the value of the world's top-line brands with its high quality and high added value. In Longimount Tower in Shanghai, a group control of 6 units of per second 6 meters elevators was the first Chinese super high-speed elevator project in commercial use. Canny Elevator created a pioneer in the national elevator high-end realm with the first speed in domestic. Jakarta International Airport in Indonesia was one of the biggest international air stations in the world, and the Canny Elevator developed a full set of escalator solutions and solved the mass transportation problems of tourism city Jakarta completely. In the realm of mass public transportation, Canny made mass transportation solutions for Delhi Metro project in India, which was the world's 7th biggest metro system. Indian Prime Minister Modi invested and took the heavy-duty escalator of Canny and appreciated it deeply. Canny also offered 52 units of heavy-load bus-type escalators for Indian railway station passenger dedicated line project and solved the transportation problem of India high density of population mobility. For the metro transportation network of South Korea, Canny had provided more than 1,000 units of heavy-duty escalators. As the only escalator supplier of Isfahan Metro Line 1, Canny helped the infrastructure construction of Iran cities and improved the image of international tourism culture of Isfahan. Every success of getting a big project is the trust of every customer for brand value of Canny. At present, Canny has established a long-term cooperation relationship with leading real estate enterprises of top 100 and famous elevator service providers among this industry in China and overseas in order to help Canny to be an international brand. Canny is the pride of national brand, achieved the world height of national elevators. Nowadays, the headquarters industrial park of Canny Elevator is located in Wujiang of Suzhou in Yangtze River Delta, covering an area of 280,000 square meters, with 6 centers and 7 blocks. It, together with Canny Elevator Wujiang Core Component Industrial Park, Chengdu Canny Energy Saving Elevator Industrial Park, Zhongshan Elevator Industrial Park constitutes the national industrial distribution of Canny, with a total land area of 1.41 million square meters, and provided perfect vertical transportation solutions for the global market with its strong industrial power. They were built at the production base over super-large escalators and automatic sidewalks, equipped with world-leading equipment, which formed a perfect industry train from ports to the whole escalators, and reflected the large-scale production strength of Canny. Relying on integration, Canny Elevator regarded Industry 4.0 as its standards and created a world-class intelligent manufacturing unit factory, and tried to achieve the manufacturing system of lean production and workshop information. And Canny made the Industry 4.0 of Made by China. The manufacturing center produced strictly according to international standards, relying on leading fine workmanship, and Canny's quality reached and exceeded the purchasing criteria of many countries and districts in the world. As the first state-level enterprise technology center among domestic enterprises, Canny successfully established 2 research, development, and testing centers, and the first elevator college, Canny Elevator College, which made a breakthrough in the field of Chinese elevator techniques. Canny concentrates on providing overvalued services for customers. Canny improved 16 product lines, 42 specifications, and covered 8 application places. She achieved the perfect combination of products and architectures with remarkable quality of safety, comfort, and energy efficiency. Canny has more than 100 nationwide branch offices, over 500 authorized dealers, and 50 overseas marketing agent networks. She established a perfect global marketing service network and responded to global customers' demands in time. Comprehensively upgraded information management, employ world's leading SAP system. Deepen to apply CRM management system of customer relations, effectively match marketing and engineering services, optimize operational programs online. Deepen to operate EOS system of mobile app engineering service management in order to achieve the integrated management of customers, maintenance, and supervision. Comprehensively improve the application of Internet of Things and Canny Cloud technology. Achieve elevator remote network connection for the whole course. Dynamically monitor elevator running, intelligently analyze operating data, proactively monitor and deal with malfunction. Rescue of people trapped in elevator. Daily management, quality assessment, and risk prevention, providing customers a safe and comfortable space. As the pride of Chinese brands, Canny has gained attention and encouragement from all sectors of society. During the process of development and expansion, Canny never stopped giving back to the society. Standing on the peak of Chinese elevator industry, Canny is always advancing and practicing so as to create higher value and safer and more valuable vertical transportation for customers. World brand leading in China. Canny Elevator.